Many business owners approach April 15th with a quiet fear that if they're not ready, something serious will immediately go wrong. If the deadline itself has started to feel heavier than the work, this video is for you. Deadlines create emotional pressure, especially when consequences feel unclear. For business owners, April 15th often carries an unspoken assumption that missing it means failure, penalty, or lasting damage. Understanding what actually happens when you're not ready helps replace fear with proportion and prevents unnecessary panic decisions. In this video, we're not advising you to miss the deadline or delay filing. We're also not discussing penalty calculations or individual outcomes. We're simply going to explain what the April 15th deadline represents, what changes if you're not ready, and why the reality is often calmer than owners expect. We'll start by clarifying what the deadline actually governs, then look at why owners emotionally magnify it, and finish with a steadier way to think if you're still unfinished as the date approaches. This is about understanding, not urgency. April 15th is a filing deadline, not a verdict on your business. It exists to establish a reporting timeline, create administrative consistency, mark a transition point in the tax calendar. It does not instantly change the quality of your business, the legitimacy of your work, the effort you put in during the year. Deadlines organize systems. They don't define competence. Deadlines compress time emotionally. As April 15th approaches, owners often experience a sense of being judged, fear of unknown consequences, pressure to resolve uncertainty immediately. This reaction isn't irrational, it's human. But it's amplified for owners because responsibility rests with them, not a payroll department or employer. The misunderstanding many owners carry is, if I'm not ready by April 15th, I've failed. In reality, readiness is influenced by information timing, business complexity, administrative lag. Being unfinished by a calendar date does not mean the year was mismanaged. It means the process hasn't fully settled yet. Here's the steadier perspective. April 15th is a checkpoint, not a cliff. It marks a moment where choices may adjust, timelines may shift, and next steps become clearer. When owners understand that the deadline does not invalidate the work already done, they stop reacting emotionally and start thinking proportionally. That shift alone reduces pressure. If you're not fully ready as April 15th approaches, that doesn't mean you've lost control or missed something essential. It usually means the business year hasn't finished revealing everything yet. In the next episode, we'll talk about what to do if you've already missed the deadline and how to move forward without panic. Please like this video if you have enjoyed. Every like encourages us to create helpful content. Thank you once again for watching. Have a blessed day